Just taking a glimpse at nature. Oh my God. The beautiful things that God has created. How these trees absorb carbon from the earth and help release oxygen in order for the earth to be a better place. Wow. God is amazing. God is everything. Whoa, He has made everything available for us. Wow. Wow. And I will not be silent. And I will always worship you. As long as I am breathing, I will always worship you. Here is my worship, and all of my worship. Oh God, you are great. You are greatly to be praised. You are everything. You deserve all the glory. You deserve all the honor. Good morning, folks.